What's up, all you cab over lovers? Look what we got here. We got a 41 tilt beds. Look at this. Look what we got here. We got ourselves a C cab. Who's a C cab lover like me? 1915. Look at that. Got a little blower on there. Got fenders. Look at this thing. Wow, how gorgeous is this? Visor, diamond plate. Winch this thing up right here. Look at that. Old school right there. Old school. Look at this. This thing is so cool. Pull out the ramps. Oh, look how gorgeous that is. Wow. All chromed out rear end. Man. What does this say? Little supply delivery. What do we got here? We got all kinds of cars for sale. This guy sells cars, man. How cool is that? This thing is awesome. If you're a cab over lover like me and a C cab lover like me, you want to see more, click the link above. Don't forget to follow. See you on the next Motor Car Show.